Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for taking your precious time to watch this video. As always, it is my pleasure to serve you guys by making these videos. So let's get started. Well, yesterday, or last night rather, I twisted my hair. I showed you guys how I did it. So today I figure I would show you guys how I actually style my hair. I do have a couple errands that I want to do today. I told you guys that I was going to go to another Target to try to get some more fall decor item, and also I am participating in a collab this week, so I need to get some items for that. So I just wanted to show you guys how I did my hair. Well, the first thing I do when I style my hair is I usually sleep with a silk cap on. Well, I take it off, and when I shower I do not put a plastic cap on my hair because like when the water splashes on me, it kind of wets my ends, which makes my ends shrink a little bit, which is what I'm trying to do. Then I get my oil, or I usually use oil, but sometimes I may use like a styling cream, but today I'm using oil. I'm just using some coconut oil. You can see that I have about a handful, and I make sure I get it all over my hands. And then first thing I do is I start working it in my roots. So I really make sure that I get it all worked in. And then because my ends are damaged, I make sure that I add oil to the ends. Okay, so I just make sure that my ends are, super moist with the little bit of water that it has, and then the oil will seal in the moisture, which hopefully will repair my ends. Okay, and then I always make sure that there's still oil on my hands, so when I take my hair apart it doesn't frizz too much. So what I do, I usually start from the back and I start twisting it in the opposite direction that I twisted it, and as you can see it comes out. So I will do each one like that. And if you see me looking away, it's because I have a mirror in the back of the camera, and I just want to make sure that I'm doing my hair right. See, I just pull them apart. I just go in the opposite direction, and then I untwist it, or I pull them apart. Okay, so this is my left side. Okay, and now the right. See, my hand still has oil on it, so you notice that my hair is not frizzing up. Okay. Oops. Thought I got it on the bottom here. Okay, so now they're all pulled apart. And then to define my curls, I go in again with just a little bit more oil. It may seem like I put in a lot of oil on my hair, but I do have super dry skin as well as hair. So by the end of the day, this will all be gone. So now for me to define my curls, what I do is I pull it. Let me do the front. Maybe you'll see the front better. I pull it, and then I break it. I kind of look, you see, like it almost comes apart by itself, so I just kind of just pull where it wants me to break it apart. I'll do another one. See what I'm talking about? See, it just, so that's pretty much what I do, is I pull the hair, and I can just feel where it wants to be separated. Okay, see, look, see what I'm talking about? I just pull it and see how it just I don't have to manipulate it too much. I just pull. Okay, so I think I got it to where I like it. Now I'm going to do the other side. Oh, I'm not in frame. Apologize, guys. I'm trying to do this and look at the mirror at the same time. Okay, so I pull, and like I said, you can feel where it needs to be pulled apart, so I don't have to manipulate it too much. Okay, so I think I got it where I like, and then I just kind of, because I part my hair in the middle and the back, I just kind of lift my hair so it blends well, that you don't see where I parted the hair. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you decide to subscribe to the channel, make sure you turn on that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. Again, thank you so much for taking your precious time to watch this video. Until the next time, have a blessed day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.